Hello everyone, today let's see how to replace hard disk of an HP Pavilion 15 laptop. Remove the battery first. After removing the battery, remove the hard disk and RAM compartment door. You can see if you want to remove the keyboard, you should remove this compartment door. Keyboard, DVD drive, hard disk, Wi-Fi card and RAM. Just loosen the screw, push it back, take it out. For removing the hard disk, you need to remove these 3 screws here. Sorry, 2 screws, not this one. This one is for keyboard. These 2 screws, remove these 2 screws. Treat your hard disk in this way. Here there are locks. These will fit into the notches here. Hold this tag gently and pull it gently. Don't put too much of force. After removing, just remove these 2. Remove the 4 screws from all the 4 sides. This way. And this is the connector. Remove it gently. Don't pull the cable. Hold the connector itself and pull it gently in this way, slowly. Okay. Take your new hard disk or an SSD. Insert the connector in this way. HDD and SSD, only the difference is HDD is mechanical hard disk and SSD is totally flash drive, like a flash drive, electronic. SSD has electronic memory chips. The HDD has mechanical disk, magnetic disk, which stores the data. See that this plastic sheet should come towards the PCB. This screws in this way, diagonally. This way, tighten them. See that you will not use any other screws which are lengthier than these, because it will break the casing of hard disk. After fixing, just connect this here. You should be careful with this notch. You should fix here inside. Don't put it in the opposite direction. You will break the connector, and which is very hard to replace or repair. Connect it in this way. Put your hard disk here into the notches first, into the grooves. Lock, push it down. Fasten the screws. Close the here. Press the cable neatly in these grooves. Fix your back cover in this way here. Fasten the screw. Insert battery, and we are ready. The new hard disk is ready for installation. Hope this video is useful for you. If this video is useful, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.